mosaic wall. Alright, it's time for the long-awaited room tour. I've never really done an official hotel room tour. I've done like some casual ones in vlogs, but I feel like I want to be really, really efficient with this one. And as you can see, I've gotten changed into my little yukata. It's been a very traditional clothing day today. First the kimono, now the yukata. I'm ready for like just such a relaxing afternoon, and I'm just like so happy to be in this beautiful, stunning room, and I'm really excited to show you guys all the cool things about it. So firstly, let's start out in the entryway, the genkan. So we have these little outdoor shoes here that are for wearing when you walk around your hotel, when you go to breakfast, etc. And then there's also storage for more of them here. And then coming along this way, make sure you take your shoes off when you step up. Coming along this way, we have a really nice luggage wardrobe space, which, because I always travel with such a large suitcase, I often in Japanese hotels struggle to find room for it. I usually have to like cram it next to the bed and then just like hop around it. So it's really refreshing to have a space that fits not only my luggage, but has all this wardrobe space as well and coat hangers. Then in this drawer here, this is where the yukata are kept. So we have, I assume these are large men's robes and these are the women's ones. And we have the waistbands here. We also have some socks, which look like this. I apologize greatly for this horrible sight. Moving along from the entranceway, it then opens up into the bedroom, which is so, so beautiful. So the reason we take our shoes off is because there is tatami flooring. And in here we've got two beds. They're quite large for single beds, so I think they're king singles. And there's like so many different lighting options. And there's a charger by each bed. And I really like these strip lights because when it's nighttime, just having these ones on is so atmospheric. So one thing I always struggle with when I come and stay in Japan, and this might be an issue for you as well, is the mattresses. So the last place I stayed in, the mattress felt like a thin bed with rocks in it. It was very springy, very tough. My tailbone would hurt if I sat on it for too long. And not only that, is that for some reason the pillows here are like rock hard. But I am pleased to announce that there are two pillows offered here, which makes me so happy. So we have the like traditional, very hard pillow. It's even got like a weight in the bottom. It must be good for your neck or something, but it's really tough. Then we have what I call a normal pillow. It's nice and soft and squishy, and I slept on this and I fell asleep almost instantly. It is so like, so wonderful. So I really appreciate that this hotel or ryokan has provided both types of pillows. And not only that, this mattress is a lot softer than what you normally would have at a hotel. From my experience, I'm sure like some have nice mattresses. I was staying in like a budget hostel last time, so there are definitely going to be improvements here. But the pillow was just like such a happy moment when I discovered it. And the pattern as well is like super cute of the futon. I do really like staying in places like this because they really dial up on like the traditional styling. It makes me feel very like at ease and calm. Moving along, we have this like really cool ceiling. So it's like angled upwards, and then we have this like wicker up here. I can actually almost touch it. Oh, I can touch it. That's crazy, considering I'm quite short. But it just like, the effect looks so cool. And then we have a massive TV. Like, it's so large. It's not really necessary in my opinion. I haven't even turned it on yet. I might actually turn it on seeing as I'm having a nice relaxing afternoon. Maybe I should make use of it. Then in the entryway, we have a cute little origami crane to take home if you want. And with most places, we have the information booklet, which tells you about the room and tells you about the baths and the times that you can use things. There's also free laundry here, which is really great. And it tells you about the breakfast, which, oh my God, the breakfast this morning was incredible. Then there's a really comfortable lounge that I've sat on a lot. And outside we have a standard view when you look out. But when you look down, you can see, the reflection is a little bit bad right now, but you can see into their gorgeous little Zen garden, and there's some water down there and the trees. Oh, and the leaves are blowing in the wind. Oh, it's beautiful. And you can also see a little traditional looking house over here. Then back over into the entrance area, we have standard things like water and a kettle, a phone. But in here we actually have a safe and a fridge, but the drinks are free, which is really lovely. I don't actually drink regular Coke or beer, but I will be drinking this green tea. And then in this drawer here, we have a little tea set. So we have some green tea and what else is in there? Green tea and hojicha. Yum, I'm gonna have some of this later. And 2 pretty cups. I think this is where you would put the used tea bags maybe. And then these cute little lollies. I think they're just like, I don't know, maybe sugar balls, but the packaging is so cute.
Fresh ideas, like a nice fresh new post.
This is so silly, but I'm really excited to show you the toilet room. There's also the bathroom through here, but I'll show you the toilet first. At first, it looks pretty standard as a bathroom. We have our little slippers to put on, but in addition to the regular bidet controls like spraying your back, spraying your front, we have lift up the lid button. So cool. And it also senses when you walk in and actually like sprays or sanitizes the toilet maybe. Before I was filming, it sensed that I walked in and it did the spray, so I'll try and catch it later. And then we have the bathroom, which has the most massive bathtub. Then we also have a nice little vanity area with a stool, and there is toothbrush and toothpaste provided, a nice big mirror, and good lighting for doing makeup as well. And we have standard things like towel racks, a hairdryer. I haven't actually opened these yet. Yeah, I didn't think there would be anything in here. That's not a drawer. It is so spacious in here. I had a bath last night at like midnight and it held the heat really well, so I almost like boiled myself like a lobster. But in here we have Olive Green Series hair shampoo and hair conditioner and body shampoo. Look how gorgeous this is behind me. It is stunning. I'm gonna ask if it's okay to go outside and have a little walk through the rocks. It's got such a nice, just serene area in the lobby to look out into the garden. It's such a beautiful garden. But first, let's take a look at the rest of the lobby. We have this like beautiful mosaic wall. And then the view outside. And this cute little hinamatsuri decoration. Then this is where I sat down when I checked in, and I had some tea here. And over here is where they hold free tea ceremonies every single morning at 9 o'clock. I decided to just let myself outside because she started serving some customers that just needed to check in. But it's so pretty out here. It's really like cold and frosty. It's quite nice being like in this light thing and getting the fresh air. The sound of running water is so relaxing. This would be really, really beautiful on a nice sunny afternoon. And some little birdies over on the roof.